Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through or guide you through how to cancel Amazon Prime free trial, and it does not require you using your card. It's going to take you less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. You have to first of all launch your Amazon shopping so you can access your Amazon Prime. Then you get logged into your account. Now select your profile, and once you've seen it, you will see account at the top page. Open it. On another account, you will see orders. Under orders, select your subscribe and save. Open that and then select the shop, the subscribe and save store. Under subscribe and save, select subscriptions. To lead you back to a page if you don't have an active subscription, but if you have, you will see a new page where you see how many days remains till you get charged. Then you can go ahead and cancel it. You will see a cancel button right under your subscription. This is how you can cancel it. Hope you found this guide helpful.